Overseas Foreign Education Private Limited. I am Ashok Dhruva, COE and Managing Director. Since February 2020, since our incorporation, we are into the business of recruiting students to UK and other countries. Our forte has been attending to mature students who are not being attended by other agents, like students from the age group of 30 to 45 age. And all our programs are in future to settle them in for UK particularly or Canada after study at least 1 year in UK. I would like to be in front of you. Yes, we have our Capri Overseas website which gives all information regarding latest visas, mature age visas, as well as the immigration policy system. And in front you see almost 400 plus visas happened in last 2 years. I would like to take you to the tour of our facilities. Yes, this is our facility where we do the initial application process for the students whom we have received the basic documents and move forward them to universities abroad. We would like also to inform you that we have received the license to provide British education for year 1 and year 2 for the bachelor degree, as well as postgraduate diploma before masters to be delivered in India online or face to face. This helps students to reduce the cost of foreign education, which is around 45 lakh rupee for bachelor or 20 lakh rupee for master, to reduce to 15 lakh rupee for bachelors as well as 10 lakh rupee for masters. We have the facility of smart board, interactive board for education, and here we offer this all courses online at the time students would like to study at the place where they are where they are there. Yes, here we have in front of us Kinjal ma'am. She is the faculty for computing, and at the end Mr. Tushar sir is the faculty for business and hospitality management. Would like to introduce our faculty for English as well as hospitality and business management few modules. Ruxana ma'am, she is with us since our incorporation, and she takes online take care of the students for online coaching of IELTS, prepare them for their English test, which is also mandatory requirement along with other requirements to study abroad. So thank you, Ruxana ma'am.
Thank you.
I would like to introduce our faculty, Ms. Kinjal. She is the faculty for computing and IT, and she is here with us since 1 year. We have a student who has come to submit his assignment, Abbas Farah. He is basically based at Bombay, was pursuing commerce graduation, but he wanted to change the field. So this was the only option where he is very happy to go through. He is about to complete his first year of computing. And yes, here I would like to introduce another very bright and very encouraging students of our industry. He is Rahul Sawant. He has completed his first year of hospitality management at HE level 4, equivalent to, and he is to proceed to Coventry University after completing his second year. Very recently, he has won the title of Mr. India. He is also very much interested in modeling, and upcoming star we see in him. Rahul, yes.
Yes. Hello everybody. Good evening, good afternoon, good morning. My name is Rahul Sawant, and I am right now pursuing level 4 ATHE Hospitality and Tourism Management. I will just cut it short saying that this is really stress-free environment. I can just come and go. Even the faculties here are really helpful. They help me in various ways. I don't have to just stick to English. They teach me in Hindi, other languages. So in short, it is a memorable experience for me. I feel like I am at my home and I get to study, I get to learn so many things. So I would like to thank Ashok Dhruva, Tushar sir, even Kinjal ma'am. So she has given me so many advices about how to do things, how you should study, and it's just a stress-free environment for me.